Hello guys, it's Carlo J. Malaya and I just want to say na Happy New Year sa inyo. So yeah, I know this is gonna be like yung sabi ko, like, there's one thing na medyo it actually bugs me. Medyo like ah no, I think it's not the case na. Actually because tawag doon, isa lang yun ang holy cow, I thought when I became Filipino or something, then sure na but yeah, that's not the case. I know, I'm actually emotional at the same time happy na karoon ng, you know what? Proud ako. Proud ako na medyo, nagawa ko na ito. Whether I like it or not, you know. And, no, I think, medyo tutuwa pa ako na, makikita ko na more collabs, more of games na makikita ko. Well, masaya na ako dun. Right now, I'm gonna glitch myself. I think siguro the reason kung bakit nakikita nyo yung both UK no spin and search on. Wala lang. It's just a customary just for New Year. After na, balik lang yun sa I don't know, medyo Um, Happy New Year sa inyo and take care. And of course, don't be a glitch. Yeah, don't glitch yourself.